Jammers, Switch F51 here, and welcome to another newscast. Here we have in the Jamad Journal, we have the Peridot Bundle. Get ready to party or keep it sensible with the Peridot Bundle. It comes with the Red Panda, Pet Monkey, the Bounce House, and 2 accessory sets, the Peridot Armor and the Postmaster outfit. This unique bundle is available for 30 diamonds in the Diamond Shop. Whoa. Cheetahs are here. Whoosh! In the blink of an eye, cheetahs have arrived in Jamad. These fast felines have all sorts of evolutionary adaptations to make them among the fastest animals on the planet, like super flexible spines to make their strides longer. Run out and become a cheetah today. I better take a screenshot of this, guys. Pet dragonflies. Jamad is abuzz with delicate, elegant pet dragonflies. These cute insects make the perfect pet for land and flying animals alike, so get ready to adopt one today. Don't forget to check out your pets and amazing accessories by clicking on the Pet Stop button inside the pet menu or at the Place Your Pet Party. Coming soon. The winners of the Nerd Glasses Recolor Contest have been chosen. On the weekend of August 25th to August 28th, you can head to the JMR Clothing to pick from 12 new colors of nerd glasses designed by real jammers for all jammers. Until then, learn about contests and other AJ events by checking out dailyexplorer.animaljam.com. National Honeybee Day. August 20th is National Honeybee Day. Join the celebration by picking up your favorite honeybee items and checking out all the fun facts on banners around Jamad. Click on any of the honeybee facts around Jamad to adopt your own pet honeybee, the adorable flying pets for all jammers. Whoa. Tiki Trouble. Taffy the Dolphin Elf has tracked down the location of the 3 legendary pearls that, if the stories are true, had the power to drive the phantoms from Jamad's oceans. There's only one problem. They're on an island guarded by ancient tiki statues. Explore the island, find the tiki statues, and reclaim the pearls in the summertime adventure. Wow. I've played the adventure before, guys, but the fun thing is I've never finished it. Schoolhouse Party. Pack your backpacks and head to the schoolhouse party for some classroom fun with your buddies. Back to school. Lots of jammers are getting ready to head back to school. What awesome things did you do over summer break? Lots of things I did, guys. Graham's Observatory. Do you like to tinker and invent? Are the gears in your head always turning? If so, then Jamad's most innovative den is waiting for you. Pick up Graham's Observatory, and you can know what it's like to live life as sometimes scatterbrained but genuinely genius monkey outfit. Wow, again, Fierce Flowers. Debut in full bloom this weekend with 3 new colors of the Flower Armor: Fearless, Starling, and Adventurous. These accessories will only be available this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll have to check that out. Giraffes and Pet Giraffes. Stand tall. Giraffes and pet giraffes are here. These handsome herbivores are the tallest mammals in the world with unique spotted coats. No 2 giraffes have the exact same pattern, so don't wait. Make one of these towering chums your new best friend today. Here we have Mary Anning. Mary Anning is considered to be one of the first female paleontologists. She lived by the coast of England during the early 1800s and had a talent for identifying fossils in the cliffs where she lived. She spent her life carefully excavating finds like an Ichthyosaurus, a Plesiosaurus, and Pterodactyl, and more. Her discoveries are still in museums today. Now, guys, as always, we're gonna head. It's an accessory switch time. And here we go, guys. It's time for an accessory switch. Oh, a lot. 3 of us with the same skirt. Okay. That's Fearless. Let's go with Fearless. as always, guys, we can't keep all these accessories on because we have to keep the 2 accessories I think are the most important in Animal Jam. These 2 things I just told me put on are the most important items in Animal Jam. Would better if I had a rare one though. If I had a rare skirt though. Ah, no one sees the stuff that we put. A group of honeybees is called a colony or swarm. Whoa, all these bees there. Okay, guys, last time we did Sky High. Let's do Wind Rider this time. We'll do a hardcore version. Every time you hit a phantom, the game must restart. I remember if you guys saw my last Wild Weekend thing. Oh, what am I doing? Close one there. Looked in. Close one. Whoa. This is like the Great Escape one that we did. Oh. How many, guys, let me know, we made it! Just let me know in the comments below how often you've made it to the bottom without hitting a phantom. Oh, we ended up in another random location. I think we have time for one more game. We'll do a game of Slinger. Well, guys, I don't know. Ah! This is the reason I don't finish the game. I have an idea. Oh man, I wasn't ready to launch that. Come on, I wasn't ready to launch that. Yeah! Fun fact, the dragon fruit grows on a vine-like cactus as native in Central and South America. Wow. Well, that's going to do for today's video, guys. So please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more content. See you later.